my fellow SEOs. Many of you may not know me because I don't typically interfere with your daily lives, but I am the president of SEO. And as such, I feel that it's my responsibility in these trying times to make a public service announcement and advise you all of the coming changes that will be taking place in the SEO industry due to coronavirus. First, we'd like to thank Legit for providing our hazmat suits. You can get anything on Legit, and so check out my affiliate link in the description below. Number 1, we are going to be limiting visits to aged domains for the time being. Number 2, website traffic from these countries is currently suspended until further notice. Number 3, all individuals appearing in stock footage on your websites, be it photos or videos, are required to wear a mask. And all backlinks must be at least 6 feet apart. I forgot to mention social distancing of your social signals. Thank you. Also, no more than 5 site visitors at a time, so just keep that in mind as well. If we are united and strong, then we will overcome this challenge together. But I don't trust any of you, and that's why I'm wearing my hazmat suit to make a YouTube video just to talk to you. So, have fun.